Greetings from St. Croix.
Hello, everyone. Many people wonder what buying a home as is means. Simply stated, it means that the owner will not be making any repairs or improvements. The price reflects this. What you see is what you get.
One of the most important things to do if you're buying an as-is home is to have a home inspection by a licensed home inspector. This will give you an idea, with the home inspector's report, to the extent of any repairs and the basic condition of the house.
While it may not be in tip-top shape, the actual condition of an as-is home will vary. An as-is home could have minor things like chipping paint or an appliance which needs to be repaired, or it could have more serious problems.
You'll often see a house described as a fixer-upper. Well, there's an overlap between a fixer-upper and as-is. Often a fixer-upper will have more significant problems that will need more repair before it's truly habitable. An as-is home could simply have some minor problems, although it could have major problems as well, which is why that home inspection is so important.
The seller could have several reasons why they want to sell it as is. They may want to sell it quickly. They may not want to invest in repairs, and they may not want to deal with repairs, especially if they live off-island.
An as-is home is priced to sell. So it's your opportunity as a buyer, at the right price, to pick up a home that you could add significant value to with the repairs that you make.
If the buyer is getting a mortgage through FHA, VA, or even some conventional loans, certain repairs must be completed. Financing for an as-is home can be tricky if there are major issues involved. For this reason, many as-is home buyers pay with cash.
We hope we've been able to answer some of your questions about as-is homes, but we're sure you have more. Please email us or call us, and we're happy to talk with you about those. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.